Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 14th, 2024. And I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do is to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. But first, this puzzle, 3-star Sudoku, number 8189. 8189, yes. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 25 printed digits. Wow, 25. If we compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this should be a 3 stars, not a 4 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. For 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright. Is this a 3 stars or 4 stars Sudoku? That's the question. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 6 in this last row? 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. Okay. How about these 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second row? 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this big square, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this second row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column. Third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 6, 6, okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there, yep. 5 missing numbers in this big square. Wait. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 marks. So the 3 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here, or there. We see another 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 in the first column, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 in this row should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there in this row. Here or there, we see another 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 7. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need 2 here. Well, need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking, need a 3 there. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in that box. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then need a 5 here. Need 7 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 4, okay. Then, well. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a pair. No, not up here. Not up here, not up here. One. Yeah. Thinking. 6, 6. Need 6 there also. 2. Need 2 here. Need a 4 there also. We have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in this row. The 2 and the 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2, the 3 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. The 7 and 8 is missing. It could be everywhere. That means 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for 7. Should be there. And we have a pair again. The 3 and the 7 in the last row. 3 and the 7 in that row. So the row between... The only 3 places left for the 3 and 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 7, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. And look, we have 3 and 7 in this column, so no 3 and 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. That means that this box cannot be, I've marked this box with 8, 1, 8, or 3. We have a 1 and 8 here. So this can be 1 or an 8. The 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, let me mark those. 6 and 8. Well, need a 2, need a 9 and a 4. 4, 4. 2, 9, 4. Need a 5 here. Then. Oh. Yeah, need a 7 here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 and the 9, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On the last column, only place level 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 9 should be there. Then 1, 8, and need a 2 here. We need a 2 in this row. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there. We see another 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So here, the 1 and the 8 are left. Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 and a 4, yeah, 2 and a 4, okay. And now, let me see. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and 8. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here, 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow! Cannot believe this. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star puzzle because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. The tectonic, yeah, tectonic with 3 stars. Oh, forget to tell you, yeah, it's springtime, yeah. 17 degrees today. Anyway, see you soon. Bye bye for now.